Rust and lime stains in toilet bowls can be removed reliably with a consistent acid-based cleaning routine and targeted mechanical agitation. For persistent rust, use a phosphoric or citric acid cleaner formulated for toilets and apply it directly to the stained area, allowing 5 to 10 minutes of dwell time before scrubbing. Do not mix acids with bleach or other cleaners. For lime scale, calcium deposits, use a stronger acid such as a toilet-specific hydrochloric or muriatic product sparingly, and follow label safety steps including ventilation and gloves. Apply, wait the recommended time, then scrub along the waterline and under the rim with a medium bristle toilet brush. For moderately stained bowls, a paste of citric acid powder and water can be applied with a nylon scrub pad and left overnight to break down mineral bonds without heavy fumes. Mechanical options include pumice stone, designed for porcelain, used wet to gently abrade mineral film, working slowly and testing in an inconspicuous area first to avoid glazing damage. After stain removal, run a routine maintenance program using a daily or weekly dilute acid rinse or an enzymatic cleaner to prevent buildup, and follow with a neutral pH disinfectant to meet sanitation expectations. Train staff to identify early staining, rotate cleaning products to prevent resistance or residue, and always document chemical use and dwell times for client transparency. Common mistakes start with using abrasive metal brushes or scouring pads that scratch porcelain, which traps grime and makes future staining worse. Switch to non-metal brushes and pumice designed for porcelain. Another issue is mixing chemicals, such as acids and bleach, which can produce toxic chlorine gas. Never combine products and store them separately with clear labeling. A third problem is skipping dwell time or rushing to rinse, which results in incomplete stain breakdown. Be patient and follow manufacturer dwell time, then scrub methodically and repeat if necessary. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who offer professional office cleaning and stain removal services, and lets contractors list their offerings to connect with clients. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, compare products, and help each other solve recurring stain challenges.